Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today, we're going to learn how to make Spider-Man's mask. And it's very easy. Pay attention and write down everything we're going to need. Let's go! To make Spider-Man's mask, we will need a sheet of red foam, a pair of scissors, a black marker, a pencil, a piece of elastic, and a stapler. Let's cut out the template for Spider-Man's mask that you can find in the video description. Now, with the red foam, scissors and pencil, let's start by tracing the mask on top of the foam. Make sure that you don't forget anywhere. We also need to trace the inside of the mask. Now, with the scissors, let's cut along the outline on the foam that we made. And like magic, we cut it fast. Look what it looks like. Now, take a sheet of paper and place it on the table so it doesn't get dirty. And with the black marker, we'll trace an outline of our mask. Now let's draw the web pattern on our mask. Watch how I draw it. This is going to be very beautiful. Connect each line to the other. Look how amazing this looks! With the scissors, we'll make a very small cut on the side. And the other side too. Cut 16 inches of elastic and loop it through each side of the mask. With Mom and Dad's help, we staple the elastic. Just look! It looks incredible! I hope you enjoyed it, my friends! Subscribe to the channel! Kisses, kisses, kisses! See you later!
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!